Не, я готова, здорово.
This is the moment you've waited for. Been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. Your fever dream, can't you see it getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's the preacher in the pulpit and your blinded bullshit. There's something buried in the break of every wall that's holding all that's in know. So tell me, do you wanna go where it's covered in all the colored lights, and the runaways are running the night? Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come through, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Gonna take my horse to that old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Hey, got the horses in the back, horse is attached. Shad is matte black, got the riding in a tractor. Lean all in my bladder, cheated on my baby. You can go and ask her. My life is a movie, bull riding.